Hi, this is Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. This is the Royal Enfield 650 twin exhaust. Okay, there are two of them. Obviously the other one's still in here, still wrapped up, so we're going to leave that one in. Okay, you get your awesome S&S decal like my van's got on it, and as you can see, S&S Cycle do know what they're doing. Very famous company for racing, build all the big twin RE engines. I've got three, one in my T124 in my bagger, and I've also got a Sputh in another, and another S&S we've just bought in. Okay, so if you want any high performance Harley parts as well from S&S, give us a bell, or motors. Okay, as you can see, beautiful brush finish. It's designed to look like the spun. I'm not sure if it is actually spun, but it could be. Looking at it, it might actually be a spun, like the old Gold Stars were, you know, done with spinnings. But stainless steel. As you can see, the perf in there, I don't know if you can see that, but inside, let me just take it into the light. Okay, all that perforated tube, that takes the real crack away, but gives you that nice deep bassy sound. Very well welded, as you can see. Again, stainless steel. These are a race series, race only like it says, but very cool. These fit all your Enfield 650 twins. This particular part number 5500770. I'll say S&S legendary in a performance game. Do make a lot of OEM stuff. Give us a call. 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Check out some real cheap bargains on there. Thank you.